Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I am so excited because I'm going to be doing my very merry giveaway. As many of you guys know, I love Christmas and I of course love you guys, and so I figured this is a perfect time to give back to you all for all your love and support here on my channel. We're gonna go ahead and jump into everything because I don't want this video to be too long. But before I get started, I do just want to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you, because without you, me and this channel would literally be nothing. I know we are not huge here, but I feel like I personally have some of the most amazing subscribers that could literally possibly ever exist. You guys are awesome. You are so sweet, so supportive, and I just adore you. I have made some of the most amazing friends by being on this YouTube journey, and I just cannot wait to see how we all continue to grow and evolve together. Even if I'm never, some sort of like crazy huge channel where like millions and millions of people know my name, I feel like I have gotten exactly what I wanted out of YouTube, which is just a wonderful community to interact with regarding all things beauty, makeup, lifestyle, and even just life in general, like just connecting with people of all walks of life. So I am so excited. So anyways, we're gonna move past that because I could gush here forever, and like I said, this video does not need to be that long. So we're gonna start off with like the giveaway rules and how to enter and all that fun stuff. I know that's the least fun part about a giveaway video, but we have to have this information, my friends, because they need structure. I'm sorry, they just do. So anyways, rules and everything are going to be written down in my description box. Please, please, please make sure you follow all the rules, all the guidelines, because if you don't and you are a selected winner and I go back and check, then unfortunately you will be disqualified. So please make sure you read everything carefully. I know it's always a lot of like word vomit up front, so again, everything's going to be written down in the description box. Just make sure you follow everything, because I'd hate for you to be disqualified because you didn't follow the rules correctly. So first things first, this giveaway is going to be open to the residents of US and Canada only, and you do need to be 18 years of age or older to enter, because like I say, every giveaway video, I am not trying to send something to your parents' house in which they did not know you was going to be receiving. I do not want to be in trouble with any parents, so please, 18 years of age or older, or have someone who is of age enter it for you, however you want to roll with that. But don't be getting me in trouble with none of your adults. I don't need that on me. So as far as like the giveaway entry rules, so you do need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, of course, and your subscriptions do need to be public, so that way I can verify that you are subscribed. Like this video and leave me a comment here underneath the video, and within that comment, just make sure you use the word holiday in any type of way you want to use it, and then of course a way to contact you. This can be an Instagram handle, Twitter handle, email, whatever you're comfortable with giving me, so if you are a selected winner, I can let you know. And then I also would like for you to go follow me on Instagram. I will be linking it down below, but it is at Alyssa N Pope. Like the post about the giveaway, which you will be able to tell I'll be wearing this exact same outfit, looking just like I do right now, and then leave me a comment underneath that post as well. And like I said, all of those items are going to be listed down in the description box, so make sure that you follow all of those rules, because I will be checking. And then I am going to be using Gleam in order to pick the giveaway winners. So you can either put your entry in on Gleam before you do all the things I just mentioned or after, but just make sure that you have got it all done either way. So the Gleam link will be down below, but I feel like that's just the most fair way to choose giveaway winners, because it's completely auto-generated. All I do is just verify that you followed all the rules. So again, subscribe to this channel, make sure your subscriptions are public, like the video, leave me a comment with the word holiday in it and a way to contact you, and then follow me on Instagram, like the giveaway post, and then leave me a comment under that as well. And then once you do all that stuff and you have put your entry in on Gleam, that's all you gotta do. This giveaway is gonna be open for 1 week. I normally do about 2 weeks, but honestly, you guys, our postal workers are working so hard to get everything out and delivered to everybody, especially coming off of COVID. Everyone does all the online shopping, and I am not going to be running these people ragged days before Christmas. So 1 week. And I will have the dates right here because it'll depend on when I post it. And then it will close at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on whatever day that I have written here. And then I will literally choose the winners right at 6 p.m. or just a few minutes after. And then I am going to contact you. As always, here on my channel, you have 24 hours to contact me back to, you know, claim your prize. And then if you do not, I will move on to the next, I will select a new winner and move on. So make sure you are checking your DMs, your emails on whatever day that I have written right here. So that way, you know, if you were selected winner, you can claim your prize. If not, after 24 hours, I got to move on to the next because again, I'm trying to get everything shipped out. And yeah, you guys, that is literally everything with the giveaway. Of course, all the normal little legal jargon that I'll have like written down there, but this is not affiliated with Instagram, YouTube, any sort of brand that I'm using. I bought everything with my own money. And of course, I am not going to be liable for any damages, loss, theft, or whatever during shipping, you know, all that fun stuff. So anyways, now that we've gotten through all of that, again, it's in the description box. Make sure you follow everything to a T. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me here in a comment. You can send me a private message on Instagram if you would like, because obviously if you're confused, I want to be able to help you out because I want as many of you to enter as you possibly can. So now that we've gotten all of that not so fun stuff out the way, let's get into the prizes. And oh, I didn't mention, it's going to have 2 winners. Wow, how did I let that slip my mind? I'm so sorry guys, 2 winners for this giveaway, and I've got a box of goodies each here, and so I'm so pumped. So we're gonna go through all the prizes. Okay guys, so hopefully I have this shot set up halfway decent for you, but I figured this would be the best way to kind of show you the giveaway prizes instead of having to hold up everything in front of the camera, which is what I started to do. So this is hopefully going to work out a little bit better for me, but giveaway winner number 1 is going to receive all of this stuff right here. So we have a Kenzie Microneedle Derma Roller, a Glam Glow face mask set. It does include their cleansing treatment, the Superman cleansing treatment, and their Mega Illuminating Hydrator, and then mask to firm, hydrate, detoxify, and brighten. You're going to receive a cute little like spa headband, a fun pair of Christmas socks, this little face mask that says booty sleep on it, but it also has little butts on the back. I hope you can see that on camera. They're so cute. We also have a Frank Body lip scrub, a hydrating primer, along with a MAC lipstick. This one is in the shade Bated Breath. This Marc Jacobs Blacker Cherry set. It comes with a mini mascara and an eyeliner. This Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette, this Element Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil, this Brow Bar, the True Brow Kit, a Vitamin C Serum, a Pericomb MD Face Firming Serum, the Ciate London Triple Shot XXL Mascara, this Studio Makeup Eyeshadow Palette, which is a neutral palette, along with this Ace Beauté Bronzed in Paradise Bronzer Palette, a Smashbox Setting Spray, this hair mask, scalp treatment, and Miracle Shampoo all-in-one by Mud Masky, a Sephora lipstick in the shade number 36, a Maybelline eyeliner, a Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy face toner, a Philosophy Hope in a Jar moisturizer, this Unicorn Glow long wearing primer, and then 3 of the Ciate London Watermelon Burst under eye mask. And then you're also going to be receiving a couple other like samples and goodies that I figured we could just keep a surprise, so there would be an air of fun about the giveaway. So giveaway winner number 1 again is going to receive everything pictured here. Okay, so giveaway winner number 2 is going to receive everything pictured here. So just like giveaway winner number 1, you're also going to get a Microneedle Derma Roller, a Glam Glow face mask set, a spa headband, a pair of Christmas socks, a sleeping mask, and then 3 of the Watermelon Burst eye patches. You're also then going to get a black felt tip liner and a black kohl liner, an eyebrow pencil from Lord & Berry, this Laura Geller eye, lip, and cheek palette, this Ciate London Marbled Light highlighter, 3 mini liquid lipsticks from Profusion, all in nude shades, this Ulta Beauty lipstick in the shade Barely There, this Super Retinol Concentrate, a Tatcha the Dewy Skin Cream. You're also going to be receiving a Vitamin C Serum, this Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Powder, the Violet Balls Essentials 2 palette, a MAC lipstick in the shade E for Effortless, this Frank Body Scalp Scrub, the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Refresh Mist. You're also going to get a toner from the brand Ren, and then a Wild Rose Sleeping Mask from Kors, a Monica Dar Bloom Volumizing Mascara, a Sleek Makeup Hydrating Primer, and then of course, just like giveaway winner number 1, I have some other samples and goodies and things that I figured we could keep a surprise, so that way you don't know everything you're going to be receiving. But again, this is what giveaway winner number 2 will be receiving. That is it, you guys. Those are both the boxes. Again, please make sure that you check in the description box, follow all the rules. I would hate for you to be a selected winner and then have to be disqualified. So yeah, you guys, I really hope that you are excited. I'm excited to get this underway and to give back to you guys. Thank you so much again for all your love and support and for being here. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.